Hey friends! Spark plugs ensure efficient ignition, smooth starts, better fuel economy, reduced emissions, and improved engine power for reliable vehicle performance. In this video, we're taking a look at the best spark plugs in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the BDFHYK ignition coil and Iridium spark plug set. This comprehensive replacement kit is specifically engineered to revitalize your vehicle's ignition system, featuring the robust UF333 ignition coils paired with premium 7092 Iridium plugs. Designed primarily for Toyota, Scion, Lexus, and Pontiac models, this set addresses common engine ailments like stuttering, poor fuel mileage, and difficult cold starts that often plague older vehicles. The coils utilize high-grade silicon steel and specialized German-imported varnished wire, which offers superior insulation and resistance to thermal breakdown over thousands of miles. By combining the coils and plugs in one package, you ensure that the entire electrical path is modernized, preventing the misfire cycle that occurs when old coils strain new plugs. This professional-grade set is a favorite for DIY enthusiasts looking to restore that new car throttle response without a trip to the expensive dealership. Next up, our second product, the A Premium Iridium spark plugs. These high-end components are built for the long haul, offering a sophisticated blend of an iridium center electrode and a platinum-reinforced core for unmatched electrical conductivity. Because they cover a massive range of vehicles including Honda, Nissan, and Subaru, they have become a go-to standard for general maintenance and performance tuning alike. The precise gap sizing, ranging from 0.039 to 0.044 inches, ensures that the spark remains consistent even under high-load driving conditions or extreme summer heat. Furthermore, the dual precious metal construction significantly slows down electrode wear, allowing these plugs to maintain peak efficiency for up to 100,000 miles before needing attention. Investing in these plugs means fewer trips to the shop and a more stable idle, providing peace of mind for daily commuters who rely on their vehicle's unwavering reliability.
Coming in at number 3, the Torch A5 RDC spark plug. While most focus on cars, this powerhouse is a specialized solution for small engines, portable generators, and lawn equipment that require a 10 mm thread diameter. It is the gold standard for Honda EU2000i and EU2200 series generators, ensuring that your backup power source starts on the very first pull, even after sitting in storage. The A5 RDC is built using advanced ceramic insulation that prevents flashover and fouling, which is a common issue in smaller engines that run at variable speeds. Its compact design is vibration resistant, making it perfect for the high-intensity environment of a lawnmower or a motorcycle engine. By upgrading to a torch plug, you are effectively reducing the carbon buildup in your small engine, which extends the life of the machine and lowers harmful exhaust emissions significantly during operation.
Now, let's talk about our fourth, the BDFHYK Iridium spark plug. Engineered with precision for a variety of brands like Acura, Nissan, and Chevrolet, these plugs feature a fine-wire iridium center electrode that requires less voltage to create a powerful spark. This efficiency leads to much faster ignition cycles, which you will immediately notice through snappier acceleration and a more responsive engine during highway merging. These plugs are manufactured to the strict TS16949 certification standards, ensuring that every unit meets the same quality control as the original parts that came with your vehicle from the factory. The addition of a copper core helps dissipate heat more effectively than standard plugs, protecting your engine from pre-ignition and knocking. If you are looking for an affordable yet high-performing upgrade that bridges the gap between basic copper and expensive racing plugs, this is your ideal choice. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Sykrss Iridium spark plugs. These are the premium choice for owners of high-performance European machines, including select Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini models, where precision is absolutely non-negotiable. Designed to replace OE numbers 5044 and BR8EIX, these plugs arrive pre-gapped at a tight 0.7 mm, which is essential for maintaining the high compression ignition required by sports car engines. The Iridium construction is exceptionally heat-resistant, allowing the plugs to survive the intense thermal stress of high RPM driving without degrading the spark quality. Additionally, the anti-corrosion plating on the shell ensures that the plugs won't seize in the cylinder head, even after years of use in humid or salty environments. Backed by a full year of replacement support, these plugs provide the high-octane reliability that luxury car owners demand, ensuring every cylinder fires with surgical accuracy every single time. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.